Hey guys, welcome back to B9 Studios. Today we are reviewing a laptop cooling pad from Xmate. If you want more like this, make sure you are subscribed and enable the bell icon. Without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the package of the product. On the front side, there is the branding, product name and some specs. This cooling pad is compatible with 10 to 17 inch laptops. On the back, there are some more description. Okay, let's take the product out of the box. As we can see, it has a stylish design. The mesh on the top is metal. Inside there are 4 red fans with a maximum RPM of 1500 and some blue LED lights. On the back side there are 2 USB ports and a regulator to control the RPM of the fans. You can increase the height of the pad using these stands on the bottom, giving more room for air. This is a 15.6 inch laptop and it fits perfectly on this cooling pad. You can prevent sliding the laptop with these things. Let's power this pad and see how it works. This is a USB type A cable that comes with the pad. You can power the pad with your laptop or any external power source. If I turn the regulator a little, only the fans on the top will rotate. If I turn more, all of them will rotate. I can turn it even more to increase the speed of the fans. When it comes to performance, it does a fine job and the noise is very low. But if your laptop gets too hot, this can't handle. That's it. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and share to your friends. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the screen. Thanks for watching.